That didn't quite go to plan, but got the job done. So we just have some wire management, and we have to string 2 more up. I might like this. This is nice. All right, we have everything installed. So you can see I have all my cords tied up there and the 2 lights hung. I wasn't able to get a video of hanging these last 2 lights here because my camera wouldn't focus in when I had it attached to my head. So try to give you a cool POV shot and just wasn't in the cards. So kind of walk you through what we have here. It's really straightforward. This little box you see here in between the cord and the outlet, this is a remote box. So it's a little remote here, click the button, turns off, turns back on. That goes to a 25-foot extension cord. Has 2 lights that come off of it, and then that goes. Advice with extension cords, and yeah, we're in business here. As far as the light output, this is 90,000 lumens between 4 of these, and cannot say enough good things about this. This is just fantastic. I can see perfectly here. I can pull a truck in here. I could do work on it. I could pull a motor. I mean, I have all the light in the world here. This is a dream setup for me. So very happy with it. Now, you know, time's only going to tell how these lights perform over time, but so far I am extremely happy with them. Very durable and very bright. I mean, what else can you really say about, you know, lights? And as far as what it looks like at night, there is the outside of the building, and then it is lit up perfectly. Makes backing in a trailer a breeze. Let's check that out. Here's a good example of why lighting is important. So I can pull my truck in here, and I can actually see what I'm working on. I have enough light here. We've all worked in those shops where it's dark and dreary, and you just can't see what you're doing. But like this, like I could do whatever I need to in here, and I have all the light in the world. So this is awesome. So just the little things like this. Just being able to pull in, and I don't have to fight with a flashlight. I don't have to fight with a big light stick. Like, I can see what I need to do, and super happy with this. So this is just like working on it during the daytime. All right, so we're wrapping it up. Huge shout out to Hykoont for sending me these lights to review. Very happy with them. Their link to their website is in the description of this video, so please go check them out. And like I said, you know, when you're looking for lights, you know, making a jump to a commercial grade light is not that much more expensive than, you know, the cheaper stuff you see out there. And I gotta say, it is a world of difference. So yeah, being able to actually see what you're doing, you know, that's priceless to me, in my opinion. So anyway, thank you guys for checking out this video. Thank you guys for following along with this channel too. This is the first review I've gotten to do here, and that's all because you guys follow along this channel and watch the stuff that I put out. So thank you very much to you guys. It's kind of a big milestone for me. So once again, have a wonderful day, guys. Stay safe.